Hey guys, welcome to Old School Bodybuilding. So today in this video, I wanted to talk about how to produce more testosterone for men. So back in the day, Vince used to always have to combat the other argument of steroids or natural methods. And of course we all know that Vince was a big proponent of natural methods and was always against the steroid using guys. They were he called them cheaters. So anyway, so I just wanted to go through some of something Vince used to talk about and teach, and for his own guys, guys like Larry Scott and Don Haworth and among the other guys that worked out at his gym. And so he used to profess always single items, single vitamins, but they couldn't work alone. You needed to have a catalyst with it to make sure they were utilized. So he'd always say, okay, take these supplements, these vitamins with a meal. And so anyhow, one of the secrets he always used to profess for increasing testosterone was fertile eggs. And what, you guys know this, but he always said raw fertile eggs mixed with half and half cream, and he always said to beat it with a fork and not in a blender. So you guys need to take note of that because that's very important for the digestion process. And he would say, take this mixture every 3 hours or so, and it would make this incredible anabolic effect, and it would always keep you in like a positive nitrogen balance, which is necessary for muscle growth. And it's really simple, but it's it's just a miracle thing that Vince used to always profess. So I'm not sure what your situation is, but the easiest way, if you go to work every day, is just to make 2 or 3 shakes and put as many eggs as you can in each one, depending on your nutrient level, how many you're trying to get in. Maybe it's only 1 dozen egg, a dozen eggs, as opposed to the 3 dozen eggs that some of his guys used to take. So put this mixture in your lunch pail, take it to work with you, and just sip it in the morning, sip it in the afternoon. Whether you work out first thing in the morning, at lunch, or after work, just take this in between your workout sessions. So I've never actually tried to do this every 3 hours. I've done the shakes. I do them now, but I might try to do this full time in the morning, lunch, afternoon, dinner, around the clock, to see if it really works, or at least to see what the results are. So, and as you guys all know, Vince was about results, and so are we. So let me know what you guys think in the comments section below. Give it a try, see if it works, see if it puts you in a anabolic state, and see if you start developing more muscle.